Welcome. If you wanna change notification settings in your OPPO A31, let's tap on the settings. Then we have to move to the app options, and it will be right here, notification and status bar. Tap on the manage notifications, and here we can manage notifications for every application. So for example, I will go for the Facebook. Here we can permanently turn off the notifications or just turn on, and we can change the notification on the home screen between the number, dot, and we can just hide them. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.